As you can see, we have our 4 actors in revolver formation. Try saying that 5 times fast. And they are going to have to rotate between different scenes. So when I say rotate, they will go counterclockwise. Rotate. When I say reverse, they will go clockwise. I can also say multiple of any, so I can say rotate 3 times. I can say reverse once, and then rotate twice. All right, that's how the rotation is going to work. Each pairing is going to have their own separate scene. So I can ask for absolutely anything for any of them. For this one, I'll ask for a relationship. What is their relationship to each other?
Brothers.
Yell some stuff.
Fork and knife.
Sisters.
Okay, let's try fork and knife. All right, rotate. Let's get a place for these two to be. Any sort of a place.
Mars.
Let's do the Bermuda Triangle. Rotate. Let's get 2 well-known characters. Any characters whatsoever.
Bad.
So yell some stuff out.
SpongeBob and Elmo.
SpongeBob and Elmo. Rotate. And let's get just any word whatsoever. Absolutely.
Box. Round. Curls. Point.
Let's do point. Your word is point. Rotate. And tell us what your offer is.
We are a fork and a knife.
Rotate.
We are in the Bermuda Triangle.
Rotate.
We are SpongeBob and Elmo.
Rotate.
Point.
Rotate. And with no further ado, revolver, action.
Man, I'm sick of being stuck at the back of the drawer. He never chooses us.
Do you think there really is someone out there that might take us from this cold, dark drawer?
There could be. I've heard rumors, legends even.
Rotate.
Ahoy! Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle. Matey. It's beautiful. It's very foggy, isn't it? It's empty. There's nothing. Nothing there. It's fog and nothing. Fog and nothing. Silence. You could cut that with a butter knife.
Rotate.
You look like a sponge. I can mop Big Bird's blood with you. Look. Over there. I wish there was some way to show you where the thing is that I want. I don't know. Maybe this will help. You're actually doing that. Oh, it's right over there, pointing. Pointing. That's what we should call it. Oh my God. Pointing.
What happened?
The garbage disposal ate me. Don't look at me, I'm hideous.
You're fine. It's only a couple prongs. All of them. Still, only a few. You're fine.
Reverse.
We would like to thank you all for a nomination for a Nobel Prize for coming up with the word point.
Give him 2 prizes.
And we are also grateful for the money we've received for this word point. Now, I would like to leave it up to my colleague to explain to you the exact dynamics of how to point.
All you have to do is extend your arm and 1 finger. It's that easy.
Rotate 3 times.
Get on the floor! Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? SpongeBob Blood Pants!
I happen to carry my own little knife set here. No way, Maggie! We can test this, shall we? This is totally... Yes, it is! Now cut it! Yeah. You can cut it. That is a mighty thick fog. Yes, it is!
Reverse.
Look, you have some fog on you. It's
Not that bad. It should be fine. It only burns a bit. And I'm not as shiny as usual. I like shiny things. Anyway.
we'll be deformed together.
Yes. Together.
Just the last ones in the cupboard.
Together.
And that is Revolver.